Hello to everyone. Today I have just received my new Marugo Air Jog V Ninja Tabi Boots. I have been anxiously waiting for these particular Tabi boots to arrive, as I am excited to share the unboxing for all of you to view. Let's first check that the size is the correct one. Yes, they are of the correct size. We can now begin with the unboxing to see the new Marugo Air Jog V Tabi Boots. These Air Jog V Tabi Boots seem to have nice packaging and come covered in a protective plastic bag. As we unbox these beautiful Tabi boots, it can be noticed the perfection of the stitchings. The color is of a nice dark color with clean stitchings, and the material is of a premium cotton. These Tabi are black over black. This means that the bottom of the shoe is in an opaque all black color that does not stand out at night like the traditional Tabi orange colored shoe bottoms. This is a plus for night missions. The bottom of the shoe is made out of high quality rubber-like material. It contains various seams and track patterns that may help with gripping or to reduce slipping on certain surfaces. These Tabi boots are like the Air Jordans but for ninjas. They seem nicely made, and we can even appreciate the iconic side air bubble that can be seen in today's most popular sports shoes. Another unique feature that these Air Jog V Tabi have is that they are fastened with Velcro and not the traditional fitting clasps. Hopefully this unique feature will ensure a most comfortable experience when on a ninja mission. We must try these Marugo Air Jog V Tabi boots to see if they may be up to par for our ninja missions. We can notice that the interior of these Tabi boots are white, but once you put your foot in this Tabi boot and seal them, this will not be an issue at all. Let's put them side by side and display their unique features. Okay, they are looking great. I think it is time to try them on and take them for a walk. Time to try these bad boys on. The idea of having a fastener system to open or shut tight these Tabi boots is excellent. The Velcro fastening works wonderfully and the Tabi shoes fit perfect. The only drawback is that the Velcro might stick to your socks a bit while sliding your foot into the Tabi shoe. But nothing to worry about. They fit perfectly and feel so snug. The Velcro fastening is an outright win for these Marugo Air Jog V Tabis. Let's slide on both Tabi shoes and have a good feel for them. These Air Jog V Tabi shoes are such a comfortable fit. They just feel so right on each foot. As soon as you put these on, you can feel the high quality materials at work. The craftsmanship is outstanding and the shoes feel excellent on the feet. The upper part of the Tabi hug your ankle and lower part of the leg in a smooth, snug way. These feel amazing on the feet. Now let's take them out for a walk. We will try a few different terrains to get a good sense or feel for these Tabi shoes. Let's start off by walking on this old concrete driveway. I can feel these Tabi have an excellent grip on this kind of floor surface. I get a sense of high performance with these Tabi boots. If I chose to run or take sharp curves at a high speed, I bet there would be no slippage problems here. These Tabis seem to be nicely put, and the materials for the rubber soles are of high quality. While I walk further through the trail, I will be sure to climb on the sidewalk edges, stairs. I will also walk over tree roots and other uneven surfaces to get a good feel for these Tabi shoes. I notice that these Tabi are perfectly wrapped around the foot. My feet feel snug and safe from the outside harsh elements. Any shrubs, rocks, pebbles or other awkward items on the ground do not seem to cause any uncomfort as I step on them. I will try a tougher floor surface to see if this stands true. Walking on these roots was a good start. I can feel the shoe is very good at shock absorption. This is very important because at night, while on a mission, visibility will be poor and you never know what is beneath your feet as you leap from a tree or a rooftop. You need good shock absorbing on your feet. Remember that in any mission your feet carry the weight of you being able to continue due to injury. It is good practice to protect the feet from injury, as they are the driving force that will get us back home in one piece. So one must always remember that it is very important to take good care of your feet. Let us try a small jump to test the effectiveness of these Marugo Tabi shoe soles. The compressed air embedded in the sole should cushion our fall. Think of the Air Jordan shoes. The idea of them was to aid the fall once the player jumped to do a dunk. Same goes here. Before we jump off this bench and drop to the floor, I will do some more grip testing. Yes, this tabi shoe indeed has a great grip to a concrete surface such as the one on this bench. That small leap was flawless. No excess pressure or pain felt on the foot. With traditional tabi boots I would have felt that, and say, if I had landed on a small rock it would probably hurt as well. So this Marugo Tabi shoe keeps producing good data and I am pretty impressed with its airtight design. Let's keep moving to find other different surfaces to walk or jump on. Let's try some more balancing on the edge on a painted concrete surface. I have good balance as I walk or even run on this edge. Excellent. The Marugo Tabi shoe sole is sturdy and well balanced. No gripping issues here either. This shoe is well worth the cost as it keeps surprising me with every move I make. Nice, I found a different floor surface to walk on. This time we will try it on this boardwalk type all wood flooring. This wood flooring has had better days, but for the purposes of this walkthrough it will do just fine. The grip these Marugo Tabi have on the wood planks is equally good as it was when I tried them on the concrete floor. While walking with these tabi shoes on, I also note that they are quite good at silent walking. They do not make much noise when walking with them on. This tabi shoe just looks and works perfect and feels great on the feet. Based on what I have experienced while doing this tabi demonstration, I can notice that this walkthrough has shown me that these Marugo Tabi are an excellent choice for ninja missions. This wood plank test is another success. The grip on these soles on these tabi are excellent as I walk over these tree roots. I can feel how they almost glue themselves on the edges of the roots. The soles leverage help with my balance as I walk downward and over the tree roots. These tabi soles are like having car tire rubber under your feet. The gripping and performance are very noticeable. Also, the air in the soles works like a shock absorber. You can jump and land on a rock, root or any other uneven surface and you will not feel pressure or any pain in the foot as you would with other tabi shoes. This design is actually very impressive to me. I will keep on my journey through the walking path. So let's go. As I walk through this dirt terrain covered in pebbles and small rocks, I still feel the same comfort and sturdiness with these tabi. I can balance on smaller objects such as these exposed tree roots with ease. The good thing about these tabi is that although they are strong and the soles are made of high-quality rubber, my tabi soles mold to the object's form with ease. A better angle shows how these tabi give excellent performance while standing on these exposed tree roots. One can note how the tabi soles keep a good grip while the tabi shoe molds itself to the form of this exposed tree root. This walkthrough demonstration with my new Marugo V Tabi, also known as Marugo 5 Tabi, are well worth what I paid for them. I advise you to give them a try and prepare to be delighted and impressed by their craftsmanship and feel. If you find this demonstration and demo walkthrough was helpful to you, please leave a comment. Also, please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative ninja-related material, and items reviews such as this one. You can find these new Marugo V Tabi by visiting our website at www.ninjabombs.com.